everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope everyone is safe, and I hope you're taking care of yourselves, like really taking care of yourselves. These last few weeks I feel like have been like super traumatic and very scary, and I think now more than ever it's like really important to just take care of yourself mentally, emotionally, physically, you know, being kind to yourself as well as everyone around you, whether it's, you know, someone like a super close family member or just like some random stranger that you meet. Although I feel like we should be doing that all the time, you know, but I do feel like, you know, now more than ever, it's like super important just to be kind to yourself and, you know, everybody around you. But yeah, I hope this video brings a little bit of light into your day. I'm very sorry if you hear like any rumbling noises in the background. As I'm recording this voiceover, I'm actually hiding in my closet because there's just a really bad thunderstorm going on outside. Like, it's very, very bad. The weather here has been like, it's been intense. Like, it's been raining, it's been thunderstorms. It's very, very bad. Like, we've had flash flood warnings. It's pretty intense right now. I think we just like had a tropical storm pass by. Anyway, so let's get into this look. I, of course, am doing hair first. We do have a hair sponsor for today's video. Shout out to Recool Hair Company for sending over this units. I've been kind of into like the bob life right now. Like, I'm into bob wigs. It's very hot, it's very humid, and the bob wigs have been kind of like the move. So they're shorter, they're not as like hot as my, you know, super long wigs, although I still love some good inches. You know, the bob life has definitely been like a moment that is very much needed. So this is the wig that I'm going to be applying, though. It's 12 inches. All of the other details for this wig will be in the description box. So if you have any questions about the wig that I'm installing today, definitely make sure to check the description box. There will be a link there as well to the exact unit that I'm wearing. I'm going to go ahead and install this unit. I am using a new lace adhesive. You guys already know how much I love Ebin's spray-on adhesive. So I'm using a lace adhesive from Ebin, but this is their Wonder Lace Bond. It's just like your regular like lace adhesive. So I really enjoy this one. Actually, I was in the beauty supply store, like I always am, because, you know, that's like my happy place. So I was picking up a few other things to do this install, and I was like, oh, it's like the same label as like the spray-on adhesive, except it's like in a glue form. So I thought I'd give this one a try, and I really, really like it. It's very nice. It's definitely less messy than the spray-on one. Sometimes like the spray-on one will like drip and it'll get into my eyebrows, and then my eyebrows look all crazy and stuff because, you know, I got lace adhesive in it. So this one's definitely less messy. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very, very nice. I like it. The hold is amazing too. She held on to this wig. She held this wig down, okay? She held this wig down. But yeah, definitely like 10 out of 10 for this lace adhesive. Love it. So the wig is secure. I just finished cutting away all of that lace. I touched up the edge of that lace using Ebin's tinted lace aerosol spray in dark brown. I used this lace tint before I installed this wig on the inside, but I felt like it was still a little bit too light, so I used just a tad bit more of that lace tint just on the edge of the lace to help it blend better. So I'm not going to cut any extra like inches off of this hair. I like the length of this wig already where it's at, but I definitely wanted to add some layers. So I'm going to use my scissors and as well as a razor comb just to add some layers into the front. I don't know how to explain like what I was going for like the style. I really just wanted to like, you know, do like some cute bangs though, like some cute curled bangs and just some nice layers in the front, if that makes sense. So as I was like cutting the hair, I was going in with my flat iron and just kind of like seeing how I wanted to like really style the bangs and everything like that, and the layers in the front there. So I'm going back and forth between like my scissors, my razor comb, and my flat iron just to kind of get a feel for like how I want the hair to curl and like what I want it to look like. By the time I was done cutting and trimming everything, I kind of knew like how I wanted to curl the hair and everything. So from there, I just went back in with my flat iron and curled the rest of the hair. The front layers I'm curling toward my face, and then the ends I'm going to curl those inward. All right, so these curls are done. I'm just gonna touch up everything with a little bit of hairspray. I'm using Got2Be's High Insta Hold hairspray. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna use to like style this hair up. I totally forgot to add my edges. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, so I'm gonna do that next. I just trimmed up a few little pieces in the front and swooped them using a little bit of hair gel from ORS. So that's pretty much it for the hair. I love the way that this bob turned out. It's so cute. The length is everything. I haven't done like a center part in a really long time too. Like I always feel like I look so weird in a center part, but after I did this little, like this style, I was kind of like here for it. I might have to do center parts more often. Again, I'm going to leave all of the information for this wig down below in the description box. Thank you again to Recool Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So now that we are all done with the hair, let's go ahead and move into this makeup look. All right, so we're going to start off with some skincare first. I'm using Ole Henriksen's Barrier Booster Orange Ferment Essence. I just recently included this particular product into my skincare routine and I've been really liking it. So I thought I'd show you guys, you know, because it's really nice. I like it. I'm gonna add my serum next. I'm using the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I love this serum. It's really good. I literally use it every morning, every night. It's definitely made such a huge difference in like the way that my skin looks and feels. I'm then gonna go in with my moisturizer. I'm using another product from Ole Henriksen. This is the C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream, another great source of vitamin C. I like the fact that this is also like a gel moisturizer as well, so it works really great underneath makeup. It's not like too heavy. And of course I gotta go in with some eye cream. I definitely have dark circles, but this stuff has been really like great to like help brighten my under eyes a little bit. Anyways, I'm gonna move into primer next. I'm using a new primer from Bella Cosmetics. This is supposed to be like a long lasting primer. This primer is okay. It's not like my favorite in the world, but I do really like the way it like blurs the skin. That was really nice, but I definitely still prefer like my Power Grip primer from e.l.f. That one's like my go-to. So next I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm actually using a skin tint. This is from Huda Beauty. This is from their Glowish line. Love the skin tint. It's so nice. Light to medium coverage foundations have been kind of like my go-to these days, especially for like everyday wear. These days I kind of just like to see my skin, you know, through my foundation and everything. So these skin tints are a vibe. They're really nice. And this one from Huda has been like a go-to for me. So concealer is next. I'm using a new one from Huda Beauty. This is the new Faux Filter Concealer. Oh gosh, I love it. It's so nice. It's very full coverage. It's like it's like literally like everything that I could ask for a concealer. It's full coverage, but it's not like heavy full coverage. It doesn't like dry too fast. You still have some time to like, you know, make sure it's blended in well. I love this concealer. It's beautiful. I did go in with like a slightly lighter one from NYX just to add some extra brightness on the inner corner of the under eyes. I'm gonna add my setting powder next from Chanel. This one is their Natural Finish Loose Setting Powder in shade number 40. You guys already know how much I'm obsessed with Chanel's powder. I'm so happy too because I'm seeing it more and more like on social media, like on TikTok and Instagram and stuff. Like I feel like the world is like, you know, waking up to this amazingness that is this Chanel powder, and it makes me very happy to see everybody using it because it's awesome. It's such a nice powder. For the rest of the face, I'm going to use a powder from Huda Beauty. This is their pressed powder foundation from the Glowish line in shade number 9. This works perfectly with the skin tint because the skin tint and this particular powder are from the same line, so she's got a little bit of glow to it, but you know, the skin still looks very like snatched, if you know what I mean, and that's, you know, the vibe for me, so I love it. Then I'll go ahead and add my bronzer, also from Huda Beauty, and again from the Glowish line. I'm going to go in with my baking powder next. This is Laura Mercier's setting powder in shade Honey. I'm going to use this to snatch the sides of the nose with a little triangle powder puff. I love this little thing when I'm baking. And I'm also going to add that powder to the bridge of the nose. I'm going in with a new blush as well. This one is from Benefits. It's in shade Pom Pom. They just came out with like some new blush shades, and I'm actually very happy that they did this because it was bad. It was very bad. So I'm happy that they came out with some new blush shades. I'm obsessed with blush, so anytime I get to try a new one, I'm always here for it. I don't know when this happens, but I have Spock brows. Like, do you guys know Spock from Star Trek? Like, when I was doing my brows, I was like, when did this happen? Like, my brows are just like, I just really like a straight brow right now. Like, that's just kind of like the shape of my brows, and I kind of like it. I don't know why. I don't know what's happening, but yeah, I have Spock brows now, guys. So, like, right here, you could see it. It's like it's giving Spock from Star Trek. You guys know me. I go through like phases with my eyebrows. So like right now we're in the Spock eyebrow shape, I guess you can say. Anyways, I'm gonna touch up my beauty marks next using Freck Beauty's Freckle Makeup in shade Noir. I've got like these little beauty marks that are just like popping up out of nowhere, and my foundation usually hides them. So I just like to touch them up with makeup because I find them to be very cute. For highlighter, I'm using MAC's Extra Dimension Skin Finish in shade Oh Darling, and I'm going to use that on the bridge and the tip of the nose, and then I'll go back to the eyes and just line the waterline. I'm using my new favorite eyeliner pencil from LA Girl. This is their like retractable one in shade Super Brights. Love this pencil. The one that I used to use from Beaaute Cosmetics, I think it's like either discontinued or they're just not making them anymore because it's, you know, sold out everywhere. So I've been using this new one from LA Girl that one of my subscribers recommended, and I love it. It's perfect. I'm gonna add some mascara after that this is MAC's Magic Extension Mascara. I'm only gonna do the top lashes though. I'm not gonna do any bottom lash mascara. I'm just gonna keep that lower lash line nice and clean. And then for the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line them first using LA Girl's lip liner in shade coffee? Not coffee, chocolate. I was super close though. So yeah, I'm lining first using chocolate, and then I'm gonna also use LA Girl's eyeliner in shade brown to do some extra like definition after I'm done applying my lip color. The lipstick that I'm using today is from NYX Cosmetics. This is their soft matte lip cream in shade London. I'm gonna add that to the lips and just blend that into the first lip liner. Once I'm done applying, then I'll go in with my second lip liner, which is actually an eyeliner, but also from LA Girl. This one is in the shade brown. Then to finish up this look, I'm just going to add some lashes and my setting spray. The lashes that I'm wearing today are actually from Shein. I'll make sure to leave a link to them in the description box. But I really love these lashes because they're definitely more like on the natural side. So they look really cute with like these super simple looks. And then for setting spray, I'm using the Stay All Day setting spray from Beaaute Cosmetics. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair and makeup tutorial. As always, if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Sending lots of love, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.